Mingla Bakabia. Little by little, Bono. Little by little, a thumb few be. Sentence miago, a thumb few bono. Little by little, so you know, tabia via bono. Nene bono. Tabia via bono. To cocoa tabia via. Tota nation, pupian nation go pure de ka. Pale, to cocoa tabia via. Tota nation. Pupa nation go pure de aka little by little tabido. Sentence me a tesolo yabareno. Not to kuchi, a lotoku, chinche motoku, tebia, tutada mubono. Zamba sajaya mabo. Little by little, I am improving my English. Little by little, I am improving my English. Tebia nga English ago fu kamlade. Little by little, he is gaining confidence. Little by little, he is gaining confidence. Tebia tu yenshe mu tolade. Little by little, the baby is learning to walk. Little by little, the baby is learning to walk. The baby klega lencho talada. Little by little, she is healing from her sadness. Little by little, she is healing from her sadness. The baby tuma winnumogani tatan lade. Little by little, we are building our future. Little by little, we are building our future. Tavia chino do nage teso lade. Little by little, my handwriting is getting better. Little by little, my handwriting is getting better. Tavia nga la ye ya pu kong lade chino la ye ya pu kong lada. Little by little, he is facing his mistakes. Little by little, he is fixing his mistake. Tevye to amadwe pinlade. Little by little, the student is understanding the lesson. Little by little, the student is understanding the lesson. Tevye chaunsa thinkeza nale lade. Tevye chaunsa thinkeza nale lade. Chando Mamalo Pyome, like Maru English sentence ye fetaba. Chando te vie Chama ye Kamala Nedava.